Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Leadpages payouts using payout scheduling easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Leadpages account. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your projects. Locate the Payouts section in the menu. Click on Payouts to access your earnings overview. Here, you will see your total earnings and any pending payouts. To schedule a withdrawal, look for the Withdraw button. Click on this button to proceed. You will be presented with various payout options. Select your preferred payment method. Common options include bank transfer, PayPal, or other payment services. After choosing your method, enter the necessary payout details. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Next, choose the frequency of your payouts. You can typically select options such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Once you've set your schedule, review the terms and conditions. If everything looks good, confirm your selection. Click the Schedule Payout button to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation of your scheduled payout. If you need to make any changes later, return to the Payouts section. From there, you can adjust your settings as needed. Monitor your account for updates on the status of your payouts. Payouts are usually processed according to the schedule you selected. Keep an eye on your payment method to ensure everything arrives as expected. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to withdraw from Leadpages payouts using payout scheduling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.